Hello friends, so today we are going to see how we can integrate CSML Studio with Chatwood. So first of all we need to log into our CSML account. So here I am going to create a new bot for this tutorial. Let's name it Chatwood Integration. So now our bot is created. We can test it by going to the editor menu and then click on build and then run it. So here we can see that our chatbot is now working. Next thing we need to do is go to the live chat section and click on the Chatwood. So here it is asking for the access token. For that we need to go to our Chatwood account. So here we need to go to the three dots at the bottom and then to profile settings and then scroll down, and here you will see your access token. Copy it and go to the CSML and paste it here and save it. So and then copy the canned response and then go to your Chatwood account, click on settings and then to canned response you need to add one. Here type /stop and paste the code you just copied. Then go to home and reload the window. So in the inbox section you will see CSML live chat, which is added by the CSML. So next thing we need to do is go to CSML documentation, go to studio, click on live chat, and here you will see the basic template for live chat. So copy all the code here and go to your editor and replace all the code on your editor and then build it again and then run it. So here it shows us a button to talk to a human. So when we click to that button, it will send a request to the Chatwood to do a live chat session with us. So you need to go to your Chatwood account, click on unassigned. So here you will see your request, and what you will type here will reflect on your CSML chatbot. So in order to end your live chat session, you just only need to type So it will end your live chat session with the user, and it will show this message to the user, and then it will show him a button to quit the live chat. And when we click on that button, it will again start our basic bot flow. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you like it. So please like, subscribe and share our channel, and thank you guys for watching.